Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another unboxing of a Louis Vuitton bag that is similar to a previous Louis Vuitton bag that we've looked at, but it's different and there are some really good differences. This bag I did not like at all. Can you guess which one I'm talking about? Let's get right into the video. Here is the box. It's pretty small, isn't it, guys? What could be in this little box? Let's open her up and have a look. You guys are going to be surprised, I think. It's black. Do I need another black bag? Probably not. It's the New Wave bag. Is it called the New Wave? I'll put the correct name on screen. I thought it was part of the New Wave collection, and it is, because it's similar to my pink one over there, but it's the small one and it's the pochette kind of style one that has this cargo strap and this little coin pouch. And I have to say, guys, I wasn't sure about this bag, but when I got it in, I absolutely love it. I actually don't have a small crossbody evening bag in a black. I've got that one, which is the Christian Dior Caro, the micro bag, but that's a micro bag that fits like a card, you know, doesn't even fit my phone. So I'm talking about this kind of size, the mini flap bag size. I don't have anything like that in a black. So I was kind of on the hunt for something, and I didn't want to buy that one in the pearl in the black, which I really wanted, but I didn't want to buy it because I already have it in the white, and I was like, do I buy it in multiple colors? It wouldn't be the first for me. But I decided to go with something completely different. This bag really surprised me. Now, the bag I was talking about earlier that it reminds me of, that it's similar to, is the multi-pochette. You guys know I do not like the multi-pochette, particularly in the monogram canvas or the canvas range, because there's no lining. It's not finished very nicely on the inside, and that's a big thing for me. When you're spending that kind of money, the finishes have to be right. They can't keep their eye off the ball just because it's trendy, etc. Now, I know that bag also comes in leather versions, and the leather versions are lined, so I'm okay with those, but the canvas, I just think people are just being lazy, really. This one I like for a couple of different reasons. One, there's only one pouch. The faffing about of multiple pouches and all the things dangling can really get to me. It has to be done in a really good way for me to like it. Now, I still haven't tested this bag. This could still annoy me. And when I tried it on, this coin thing really annoyed me, the position of it, and I will talk about that a bit later. But all in all, the look of the bag is beautiful, timeless, seamless. It's got the beautiful Louis Vuitton logo on the front, really heavy logo, which I really like. The back, there is no pocket, nothing at the back. There are two straps. There is the cargo strap, which is for like a more edgy look, and I will show you guys both ways so you can get a good idea. So there's the cargo strap that has this coin pouch, detachable coin pouch on it. Is it a coin pouch? Is it used for something else? I don't know. And then there's also the chain strap, which I have to say is an amazing addition, because without this cargo strap, this is a beautiful evening bag. This is the perfect travel bag, and I say this because I travel quite a bit for the fact that I work from home and don't really travel for work or anything like that. I go away to Sydney because it's, you know, 3 hours away. I go away to the coast, it's 2 hours away. So I'm constantly packing bags and taking bags. So the ones that are really standout bags for me are the bags that I can take traveling that have multiple purposes. That can be a walk around the shops, you know, crossbody situation, easy to wear, run around town kind of a bag. And then it can also be an evening bag or something like that, which is, you know, rare. But this bag has it. Without that strap, it is an evening bag. You could even just have it as a clutch like this and have the strap dangling. Or if you wanted to put it in your arm or on the shoulder, you could. You know, it is just, what a great invention to have this tiny strap. And the great thing about this strap is I can take it off and I can put it on another bag because it's detachable. So I can take this strap and, you know, if I was traveling with this bag but I was carrying a different bag that I could have a strap on, I could just put the strap on. I just couldn't believe it. Once I realized, wow, this would make a great evening bag. Amazing, coming with me on the next travel trip. So you open the inside, it is leather on the flap. It has the new type of closure, which I really like. There's still the magnetic buttons that press together. However, there's a lip on the button, which is genius. And the reason why it's genius is because you end up being able to put it exactly where it needs to be and it clips in and it adjusts. Without that, it kind of wiggles around and doesn't really go into place. But with that lip, it goes into place every single time and it's actually closed. You know what I mean? And you can tell when it's not closed. I think that is genius. Okay, inside, this is a small bag. I will take back what I said before because I remembered it to be a little bit bigger. But it is a small bag. It is pretty much an identical size to the mini flat bag from Chanel. That is the perfect small size. Same with the mini Kelly. These are very similar sizes. Okay, so those two are like the perfect small size because you can fit your phone, you can fit a small wallet, you can fit a lipstick, you can fit, you know, some cards, you can fit your keys, you can fit sanitizer, you can fit gum. Whatever you want pretty much will fit in, as long as you're carrying light, will fit in here. Whereas that bag, you can't even fit a sanitizer, you can't even fit your phone. Like, you've got to sacrifice something. I find these three sizes pretty much identical and they will fit just about anything, like the essentials. So it is a fabric lining and it's sort of like a suede-y, micro suede lining. So it's not leather. It's got a leather flap at the back, a little card holder flap that says Louis Vuitton Paris. Really simple, one pocket, you know, kind of bag, which is kind of nice. You can Tetris it. I'm going to show you a comparison here of these bags. It's going to be hard because one of them is black, but you can kind of see they're nearly identical. This one's a little bit wider, but it's also puffier. So, but you can see from the top, you can fit a little bit more. This one's a bit wider on the top. This one goes a little bit more narrow. But in saying that, they're pretty close. Pretty close. And for a black bag, I mean, if you guys want me to do a what's in my bag, after I take this away next week, I will be filling this to the brim and you'll be able to see a what's in my bag. So if you're interested, let me know because I'd love to do one. I always like to do them on unusual size bags, like really small or really big or unusual size like the saddle bag, because it's interesting because some people are unclear about what you can fit and what you can't. And I was very unclear about that. So that's why I like to kind of make those videos. Okay, so I'm going to put the strap back on and we're going to talk about this cargo strap. So this cargo strap, I'm just going to pop this strap forward so it kind of sits more in front. These clips are super easy, by the way. Beautiful gold, antique gold hardware. Sort of like that old kind of orangey gold, which I kind of like on some bags. I think it looks more expensive than like the shiny yellow gold. So there's the beautiful cargo strap with Louis Vuitton on it. Don't know if you can see that. Louis Vuitton strap. And then on this side, there's the adjustable. So this can be shortened if you wanted it to be. If you want it to be more of a shoulder bag, you could shorten this. I like it fairly long because I like a crossbody. And then there is the little coin pouch. It's just got the chevron pattern on the front, black leather, and then the back says Louis Vuitton Paris with the R trademark as well. And all in all, when you look at the bag, you know, this doesn't look annoying. This looks cute and kind of edgy and trendy. But when you wear it, I'm gonna give you an example. When you wear it across your body, this sits in the worst spot. It sits right between your boobs. It doesn't look great. Excuse, my belt is a bit loose. It doesn't look great, right? And then you go, oh God, it's annoying just flapping about there. So you go, okay, maybe it's not supposed to be at the front. Maybe it's supposed to be at the back. All right, good idea, Naomi. Let's push it to the back and have a look. And it should be out of the way. See, now it's out of the way at the front. You miss the hardware here though, which I kind of like. When you turn around to the back, it's in this really weird position that's right in the middle of your back, and it's like flapping about in the middle of your back. And I'm like, you know what? That doesn't work for me either. So I will be showing you guys this in the mod shots, but I probably would wear it without this. Just wear it like that. The dangling, if it was down here, I think if they made it like that, a couple of inches lower, this is not adjustable, this one, only this strap is, so I can't really adjust where it sits. But yeah, maybe I'm too short for it as well. Maybe this is for tall people, I don't know. I was thinking maybe I just plonk it on the end here, because I can't stand it up in the other section. I mean, do I even need it? The clanging and stuff around this strap is fine because it doesn't kind of hit and swing. It's not super heavy. But this, I don't know. I need to play around with it and see if I can deal with it. But at first glance, I did not like how it looked. Really cool strap though. I love the cargo strap. It means I can take it off and put it on a different bag. So that's amazing. Okay, so I am going to show you mod shots now. You can see me wearing this with all the bells and whistles, the little pouch and everything, crossbody. I will also adjust this so you can see it on the shoulder and how it looks. It's going to be a long shoulder because I want it to be longer than this chain strap. You can sort of see the length. Remembering, guys, this cargo strap is really, really adjustable and very easily adjustable. It's just basically just moving this buckle up and down to adjust. So that's going to be an absolute winner, especially when traveling. If you guys are like, I don't know, a uni student, or maybe not a uni student carrying lots of books, but if you're young and you're out and about and you're clubbing or something, I mean, this, what a great bag, what a great bag. Don't know how many of us are clubbing at the moment. I don't know about you, but we're still in lockdown, in and out, not lockdown, but restrictions. There are a lot of restrictions. A lot of businesses aren't open, that sort of thing. Crazy, crazy times at the moment here where I live in Australia. I will then show you guys without this cargo strap. I'm going to completely remove it and show you with the chain. I actually really like what the chain does when the cargo strap is on. I think it gives it an extra something with a dangling element, which I normally don't like, but I like the look of it, and the chain is not super big and annoying like the Bottega chain. That's big and annoying. Anyway, so this, I'll show you it on the shoulder, which is really, really simple, goes over the shoulder. I don't normally wear bags on the shoulder. My days of wearing bags on the shoulder are over. I either crossbody or I put them in my hand or in the crook of my arm or something like that. I don't usually put anything on my shoulder. But this bag is so small and light that you possibly could You could definitely wear it on the shoulder and it wouldn't be annoying. And then I'm also going to show you this handheld so you can see what it's like when I'm just holding it in my hand, and how elegant it would look if I was just going out to dinner and I had a, you know, beautiful black dress on, or some dress that complemented this black bag. I mean, black goes with mostly anything, so it's going to be really, really versatile bag in my collection. There you go, guys. What did you think of the mod shots? How would you wear this bag? How would you wear the cargo strap and the coin pouch? Would you take it off? Would you put it somewhere else? Would you leave it exactly where it is? Let me know in the comments. I would love your opinion and thoughts. And if you own one of these, please tell me how you wear it. Do you keep the chain on it? Do you wear it without the cargo strap at all? If you're going out to dinner or even day to day, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please follow me and subscribe to my channel. I do videos twice a week. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm really prominent on there with lots of stories, giveaways, and a whole lot more. So hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.